Ederlezi House by Práctica Arquitectura in San Pedro Garza Garcia, Mexico. 360 degrees of views of hills, mountains, and hills connect the user with the horizon from the terrace at the top of the house. The interior is different. The robust reddish atmospheres, patios, and landscape spaces invite a calm, more intimate and disconnected life. Ederlezi is the name of the celebration that marks the beginning of spring in the Balkans and Turkey. A break from the gray winter that manifests itself with music, dancing, and flowers. The contrasts between the green vegetation and the red tones of the pasta on the walls, the horizontal of the gardens and the doors seek to perpetuate the warmth and movement of that time of year and emulate memories of desert and Mediterranean landscapes present in conversations with clients during the design process. From the particularity of its volume and the mysteries and surprises that define its roots, the personality of the house is built, deeply similar but different from its context, combining classic elements of Northwest architecture such as the base and the proportion of the openings, with more abstract contemporary elements. Built on a narrow plot of 5 meters wide and 20 meters deep in the historic center of San Pedro Garza, in the metropolitan area of Monterrey, the house is organized through a spinal column of circulations and services along the boundary and a central patio that divides the program into 2 volumes. The first one facing the street contains the entrance hall, the garage, the double-height guest room with a mezzanine, and a rooftop terrace. In the second one at the back is the living room, dining room, kitchen, a blue patio that tops off the end of the plot, and the master bedroom that has access to a landscaped terrace. Although the plan is born from a rational sequence of squares, the section is more dynamic with steps, platforms, overlaps in the doors, and friezes that end with the red ziggurat that forms a containment towards the street and solves with its facade the current restrictions on heritage and conservation. Faced with the challenges and opportunities that housing in heritage areas in growing cities implies, the Ederlezi house reconciles notions such as the fluidity of an ethereal and open space with the privacy that allows separating life from the streets and boundaries from what happens inside. The project seeks to blur the routine based on the diversity of experiences it offers and at the same time, rethink the cadastral condition of long and narrow plots in this area as a fertile typology to explore with volumes that are perforated, carved, and excavated in a stereotomic dialogue between the personality of the user, the house, and the mountain.